Hi everyone, from the road. We are taking a short camping cabin trip, and this is like bits and bobs of our trip. So I do hope you stick around and see the fun places that we got to visit and also the good eats as well. So yeah, have fun watching. I'll see you later. This is our cabin for 4 nights, and this was not supposed to be our cabin, but they will hear a full review from us. So, but for now, we're just gonna enjoy time with family and eat some good food. Breakfast was great. We went souvenir shopping and took pictures, of course. So yeah.
Okay, so this is the mother plant, and when it flowers, it starts to produce baby plants. And so all of these plants are going to each become as big as the first one. So that's how they get bigger, is it gains mass by having more plants attached to it.
Okay. So they all have the word Tillandsia in it.
Yeah,
Okay.
and that just tells you it's an air plant.
Okay. I love your purple hair.
Thank you.
Thank you for educating me.
You're very welcome. And what's your name?
My name is Ping. P-I-N-G.
P-I-N-G.
All right. The following morning, we are at Yosemite National Park. This is the eastern entrance of the park, and this is our first time at this entrance to see the redwoods. And so we are taking a hike, and we will be taking our time here. Jump!
Yeah, there's a lot.
Yeah.
Oh my, I see a bunch now.
Oh my goodness, I think this is like a ladybug kind of a such a lovely lunch at the river, and so we walked around after that and on this old bridge, and it was so old and dusty and moldy that I can just feel my allergies coming on me, and so I didn't walk across the bridge. And yeah, there were horse carriages, and so yeah, I just enjoy the view.
So what is that?
Just
her sister is Orthodox.
we got some.
And I learned so much about that religion. Everybody.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with you.
Ooh, that looks good.
Yours are getting super wet.
Yes. You like it mooing? Yes. It's okay. You can eat whatever. Don't worry. Yeah.
Put up with my cooking for years, so.
It's good, Patty. Thank you.
Oh my goodness, Costco. I love Costco salad. This too. This is good. This is spicy.
I gotta. Oh yes, the spicy one. found my favorite corner. Look at all these cookbooks. Oh my. And I know I need to pick one or two. So let's see which one I'm gonna get. This is like the coziest gift shop ever. And I got myself a lingonberry jam and oh my goodness, there's so many things. I am just gonna stay here for the rest of the day. For reals, I really can't. And this is just a quick stop. So hopefully the next time I'll have more time. And here are the Swedish smoked fish roe paste. And this wonderful owner, she says she just finished a tube herself yesterday. So I'm going to get some and hopefully try it with my family. My sister cooking up a storm as usual. She asked me what I wanted after the camping trip. I go sticky rice, papaya salad, and something fried.
Rice and cucumber, okay?
After dinner, we watched the movie Ever After, it's like tradition, and then we went out for coffee the next morning and did a little bit of shopping and have a little bit of fun while we have no kids to look after. I tried the cinnamon roll for a mid-afternoon snack. It was a little bit too sweet for me. I mean, the third bite. And so I gave it all to my husband for his breakfast the next day. Here we are, second night, and out with family at a very popular sushi restaurant. And yum. Good morning, and here's my mom digging up some mint for me to replant, and this is the fourth time maybe, I don't know, so let's see how it goes, and I hope I don't kill it this time. Okay, we're gonna try this creamed Swedish fish roe on crackers for breakfast. This is our just a taste, so let's see how it goes.
I'll try a little dab first.
Ding. Ding. And this includes the end of our trip. We made our way home and we arrived safe and sound. We also saw the hummingbirds that came through each day, and now the pumpkins. The pumpkins are wild, and this one right here is like as big as a cantaloupe. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed our trip, and I'll see you next time. Bye.